10 online business ideas to start with zero investment in the United Kingdom. Are you looking to start a new business? Then worry no more. Today we are going to give you some amazing ideas that will help you become a millionaire, a billionaire, or just help you to create an extra source of income. But mind you, before you venture into any idea mentioned in this video, make sure you're really passionate about it. Now, before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Without any delay, here are 10 online business ideas to start with zero investment in the United Kingdom.
10.
Ghostwriting. If you possess good creative writing skills, you can start your own business as a ghostwriter with zero investment. There are many people who are overdue to the author to write a book or a piece of writing, but they are unable to do so because of their busy schedule. All you need to do is collect their thoughts and compile them to frame a book. You're writing on their behalf.
9.
Selling domains. There is yet another business that can be done online with zero investment. For this, you need to open up domains you feel available and then source for those who are invested in buying such. It is similar to real estate investment, which appreciates with time. One doesn't need to spend much time, hence this is a good part-time business without investment.
8.
Selling online wallpapers. Another business idea is creating and selling online wallpapers. Although this business will not give you a lot of money, but it will not consume your time as well. It can be continued along with your regular employment. If you have creativity, this could be one of the best online business ideas without any investment.
7.
Podcasting. Choose a topic that is interesting and capable of engaging people and start a podcast series as soon as your audience begins to grow. With time, you can start selling advertisement slots to companies and business owners.
6.
Electronic cigar, e-cigarettes business. There is a huge demand for e-cigarettes, and with the help of proper publicity, you can make this business a big hit. You may need major capital at initial levels to launch this business.
5.
Teach people how to cook online. If you're marvelous at making both local and intercontinental dishes, one of the best online businesses you can start is teaching people online about it. You'll be amazed to see the level of response if your dishes are delicious and different too. This is one of the best online zero investment business ideas.
4.
Online art gallery. This is yet another interesting business in which you need to form tie-ups with artists and open an online art gallery by selling art products online. All you need to do is to display the artwork along with their prices and shipping expenses.
3.
Offer voice-over services. If you have a very good voice and excellent elocution as an asset, you can generate extra income with it. You need to search for Google voice-over outsourcing jobs and you'll find loads of them. Choose a suitable one according to your voice as a voice artist. You can sign up with an advertising company and they'll help to secure voice-over jobs for you.
2.
Virtual assistants. There are many busy business people or organizations who look for virtual assistants to help them in their day-to-day jobs, like checking up with emails, replying them, product listing, and so on.
1.
Online skill acquisition training. The era of the internet has made it possible for professional trainers to mint money via training people without even meeting them physically. Like if you want to train people on how to make handmade hats, bags, mats, and so on. You can find people who are interested in learning this type of art skills. You can send those videos and training manuals as well. This is one of the good online businesses without any investment. That said, this is where we will park our bags for today's video. If you enjoyed the video and found it factious enough, do well to give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can as well suggest a topic you want us to cover and we will do that for you. Don't leave this video without clicking on that red subscribe button below. There is a red subscribe button just below this video. Endeavor to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our new uploads. Thanks for watching. There are other amazing videos on this channel you can check out. So, do well to check them out. See you in our next video.